original today. What was it? 6th of August 2024. We have done iela. What was the number?
At 36.
36. The staircase is 37 to which one? 50.
At 37 to 72.
Yes, 37 to 72. Yeah. That's the second staircase. Calculate the 6 as from this and the third staircase.
Yes. No ninth floor here. Yeah, or there is no ninth floor, but yes. The 8th floor is the 9th floor, and there is no 2nd floor, but the floor number is strange.
Strange. It's built in 1976. Inside is the original.
Yeah.
It's in Imanta, Riga, Latvia also. Imanta is one of the suburbs here.
Yeah.
But it was also too difficult to get inside here.
Yeah.
But the buttons should have been in a better condition.
Yeah.
There's the stop and alarm here.
Yeah.
And could have been a lamp indicator.
Yeah.
Nobody's coming.
Yeah. It's built by Boreal Veritas and maintained by Autosonautis gratis.
Now these are some of the best in Imanta.
Yeah. I think there are many original 70s authors here. And some late 60s also.
Yeah. We can see which we can see.
Yeah.
Back to the first one. Well, it's still working alright.
Yeah.
Although, always they feel a bit creaky.
Yeah.
But they should be maintained so that they are working.
Yeah.
And luckily the buttons are original.
Yeah.
And that's it.